Stop spending 6 to 10 pounds a day on lunch. Here's a filling and delicious meal you can make for about 5 pounds, and it's ready in just 15 minutes. Hey, I'm Trevor from Cheap Work Lunch Ideas, where we make quick, practical lunches that save you cash. We all know buying lunch adds up fast, so today I'm showing you one simple, repeatable recipe and how to bulk buy the ingredients to make it super affordable. Let's build it. Start with cooked rice. You can even use a microwave pouch. Add half a can of drained chickpeas, some roasted frozen veg, and a boiled egg or some shredded chicken for protein. For the dressing, just mix a little yogurt with lemon juice and salt. To prep, make your rice and boil your eggs in batches. For the veg, just roast a frozen mix with some oil and paprika for 20 minutes. Or even quicker, stir-fry it for 6 to 8 minutes. By cooking in bulk and using own-brand staples, you can easily get the cost down to around 5 pounds per lunch. Subscribe for more weekly cheap lunch ideas. Only got 20 minutes? Here are 5 lunches you can prep for work, and they all travel well. Say goodbye to sad desk lunches. First up, a chickpea salad wrap. Just mash some chickpeas, add a squeeze of lemon, salt, pepper, and diced cucumber. Roll it up in a wrap, and you're done. Next, egg and spinach fried rice. Use that leftover rice from last night. Fry it up with 2 eggs and a handful of frozen spinach. Super quick and satisfying. For a fresh option, try pesto pasta salad. While your pasta cooks for 10 minutes, throw in some frozen peas for the last minute. Drain, then stir in store-bought pesto and a sprinkle of Parmesan. In a real hurry? A tuna and sweet corn jacket potato. Microwave a potato for 10 to 12 minutes until soft. Then top it with a mix of tuna, mayo, and black pepper. And the quickest of all, a classic peanut butter and banana sandwich with a side of carrot sticks. Simple, but it works. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy recipes. Tired of spending a fortune on lunch every day? What if I told you you could make 5 delicious, healthy lunches for the entire week for under 15 pounds? Yep, it's totally possible. I'm going to show you my go-to shopping list with bulk-friendly basics like rice, mixed veggies, and versatile proteins. We'll batch cook everything together, roast a big tray of vegetables, cook up a pot of rice, and prep 5 different protein options like baked tofu, tuna mix, and even a quick chickpea curry. Then, it's just a simple assembly line each morning. Grab a carb, a protein, some veg, and a sauce. Done! It's that easy to have your lunches sorted for the week. Want my exact shopping list and recipes to get started? Check the description below for a free downloadable guide. Let's make lunchtime exciting and affordable again. Thanks for watching. What if I told you that you could have a delicious, filling, and healthy lunch for just £1.50? It sounds impossible with today's prices, but trust me, it's totally doable. And no, you won't be living on plain toast. I'm going to share some of my best money-saving food hacks that will completely change your lunch game. First up, let's talk carbs. Your new best friend is the discount section at the supermarket, especially for bread. Look for those yellow stickers on loaves, rolls, and pita breads that are near their sell-by date. You can get them for pennies. Pop them straight in the freezer when you get home, and they'll last for ages. The same goes for local bakeries. They often sell off yesterday Yes Bakes for a fraction of the price. Just ask. Next, protein. Forget expensive meat and fish for your everyday lunch. The secret weapon here is pulses. I'm talking about lentils, chickpeas, and all kinds of beans. A big bag of dried red lentils costs next to nothing and will form the base for dozens of meals. They're packed with protein and fiber, so they'll keep you full all afternoon. Tinned beans are also brilliant for bulking up salads and stews for very little cost. Now, how do you stop it from getting boring? Seasoning. But even herbs and spices can be pricey. My top hack is to use the little seasoning sachets that come in instant noodle packs. You can often buy these separately online for super cheap, or just save them if you ever have noodles. They're packed with flavor and give you instant variety, think teriyaki, spicy, or curry flavors without buying 5 different expensive bottles. The final key is to embrace one-pot meals. This saves on washing up and makes batch cooking a breeze. My go-to is a simple lentil dal. Just cook red lentils with water, throw in some curry powder, a cube of frozen spinach, and maybe some of that seasoning we just talked about. Serve it with a bit of rice that you've cooked in bulk, and you have a fantastic, hearty meal. Another great one is a bulgur wheat salad. Cook the bulgur, then mix in tinned chickpeas, chopped cucumber, a squeeze of lemon juice, and you're done. So there you have it. By grabbing discounted bread, making friends with lentils and beans, using clever seasoning hacks, and batch cooking simple one-pot meals, you can absolutely make a delicious and satisfying lunch for around £1.50. Give it a try and see how much you can save. If you found these tips helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more budget-friendly ideas. Thanks for watching. Stuck in a rut with sad desk lunches? Sandwiches again? Let's fix that. If you've got access to a microwave at work, your lunch game is about to get a serious upgrade. I'm going to share 6 of my absolute favorite hot lunches that are not just easy to make, but they taste incredible after a quick spin in the microwave. Say goodbye to soggy salads and hello to warm, comforting meals that will make your coworkers jealous. First up, a classic that never fails. Leftover chili con carne, or any chili really. The flavors actually get better overnight. The key here is portion control. When you make a big batch for dinner, freeze individual portions in microwave-safe containers. Then, just grab one on your way out the door. It defrosts perfectly and heats up into a rich, hearty meal. A little pro tip, bring a small separate container of grated cheese or a dollop of sour cream to add on top after it's heated. Perfection. Next, on the list is a childhood favorite that's just as good as an adult, mac and cheese. But let's elevate it. When you're making it at home, stir in some frozen peas or even some chopped broccoli. It adds a pop of color, some extra nutrients, and a lovely texture. When you reheat it, the cheese gets all melty and gooey again. It's like a warm hug in a bowl. For this, a glass container with a vented lid works wonders, as it helps prevent the pasta from getting rubbery. Number 3 is a takeaway favorite you can easily make at home, egg fried rice. This is the ultimate way to use up leftover rice. Just stir-fry it with some soy sauce, sesame oil, frozen veggies, and scramble in an egg. It's quick, it's cheap, and it reheats like a dream. Unlike plain rice, which can get dry, the sauce and veggies in egg-fried rice keep everything moist and delicious when you microwave it. Pack it flat in a shallow container for the most even heating. For a super healthy yet incredibly satisfying option, let's talk about the baked sweet potato. You can bake a few of these at the start of the week. Then, for lunch, just slice one open, fluff it up with a fork, and microwave it until it's steamy and hot. The best part is the toppings. Bring a small container of black beans, corn, and a little sprinkle of cheese. Spoon that over your hot potato, and you've got a balanced, fiber-packed meal that will keep you full all afternoon. You can't have a list of great reheatable lunches without including curry. Whether it's a creamy chicken tikka masala, a spicy lentil dal, or a fragrant Thai green curry, they are all fantastic the next day. The spices meld together and the flavor deepens. The trick here is to pack your rice separately. Reheat the curry first, giving it a good stir halfway through. Then pop the rice in for the last 30 to 45 seconds. This stops the rice from getting overcooked and mushy while the curry gets piping hot. Finally, the simplest and most comforting lunch of all, soup. A hearty lentil soup, a creamy tomato soup, or a chunky vegetable soup. They are all perfect for microwaving. You can make a huge batch on a Sunday and have lunch sorted for days. Just pour it into a microwave-safe mug or a good quality thermos-style container that you can also microwave. And don't forget the best part. Bring a crusty bread roll to dunk in it. It's simple, it's wholesome, and it feels so nourishing on a busy workday. So there you have it. 6 delicious, easy, and satisfying hot lunches that will transform your midday meal. All you need is a microwave and a little bit of prep. Which one are you going to try first? Let me know down in the comments. I'd love to hear your go-to microwave lunch ideas too. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy meal ideas. See you next time. Can you really make a decent lunch with ingredients that cost just £1? Well, I built 3 different lunches from 3 1-pound ingredients, and today I'm going to show you exactly how. If you're tired of spending a fortune on your midday meal, you're in the right place. First things first, the shopping haul. I headed straight to Tesco and Aldi because their own brand items are perfect for this challenge. My mission was to find versatile staples, each costing around £1 or less. Here's what I grabbed: a big bag of basic pasta, a carton of 6 free-range eggs, and a tin of chopped tomatoes. These 3 simple items are the foundation for our 3 delicious, budget-friendly lunches. And a little pro tip: always keep some basics like bread, a little oil, and some seasoning in your cupboard. They'll be your best friends for challenges like this. Let's get cooking. Lunch number 1 is a classic, comforting tomato pasta. This is probably the easiest meal you'll ever make. Start by cooking a portion of your pasta according to the package instructions. While that's bubbling away, heat a little oil in a pan. If you have some garlic or onion, now's the time to throw it in, but it's totally fine without. Pour in your tinned tomatoes, add a pinch of salt, pepper, and maybe some dried herbs if you have them. Let it simmer gently for about 5 to 10 minutes until it thickens up slightly. Once the pasta is cooked, drain it and mix it straight into the sauce. And there you have it, a warm, filling, and incredibly cheap lunch in under 15 minutes. It's simple, but it absolutely hits the spot. Moving on to lunch number 2, a delicious and surprisingly fancy-looking shakshuka. Now, this sounds complicated, but trust me, it's not. We're using our tinned tomatoes and eggs for this one. In a small frying pan, heat up your tomatoes, just like before. Again, feel free to add any spices you have. A bit of cumin or paprika works wonders here. Once the tomato sauce is warm and bubbling, use a spoon to make 2 little wells in the sauce. Now, carefully crack an egg into each well. Cover the pan with a lid or a plate and let it cook for about 5 to 7 minutes, or until the egg whites are set, but the yolks are still runny. Season with a bit of salt and pepper, and serve it hot with a couple of slices of toast for dipping into that glorious, runny yolk and rich tomato sauce. It's a cafe-quality meal for a fraction of the price. For our final meal, lunch number 3, we're making a quick and easy egg pasta salad. This one is perfect for making ahead and taking to work or college. First, you'll need to cook some more of your pasta and hard-boil 2 of your eggs. To hard-boil the eggs, just place them in a small pot of cold water, bring it to a boil, and then let them simmer for about 8 to 10 minutes. Once they're cooked, run them under cold water to cool them down quickly, which also makes them easier to peel. While your pasta and eggs are cooking, you can prep any other bits you have. A great way to keep costs down and add nutrition is to use frozen vegetables. I always have a bag of frozen peas or sweet corn in my freezer. You can just throw a handful into the boiling pasta water for the last few minutes of cooking. Drain everything together, let it cool, and then peel and chop your hard-boiled eggs. Mix the pasta, veggies, and chopped egg in a bowl. For a simple dressing, a spoonful of mayonnaise or even just a little olive oil and a squeeze of lemon juice works perfectly. Season with salt and pepper, and you've got a fresh, protein-packed lunch ready to go. So there you have it. 3 completely different, tasty, and filling lunches, all built from just 3 core ingredients that cost about £1 each. We made a hearty tomato pasta, a trendy shakshuka, and a practical egg pasta salad. This just goes to show that eating well on a budget is totally possible with a little bit of creativity. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy meal ideas.